What it do? We're back with another Brock Talk episode. Today we're on the GoPro because Choir took our camera.
Are you gonna like fight them or something?
Yeah, we're gonna go break up their concert and take our camera back.
You're going the wrong direction.
What do you mean?
You're going the wrong direction. The choir's that way.
Yeah, I was just kidding. We're not gonna go break up their concert because that's kind of messed up. But we're on a GoPro today, so that's why we look weird. We're vlogging.
Will Smith destroyed himself. He's a
Say
loser.
hi, Ash. They took our camera, so we had to use a GoPro today. Choir did, so we had to use a GoPro today.
Banging somebody else.
It was like, oh, she didn't like that, so I'm gonna go. What's up? Just go up to somebody, like, well, they just stand still, and you like go up on their side. We out here stalking people. I love the Brock Talk. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Hi, what's up?
One of these things, but not as big. Thick.
Hey, free Tyler. This is on us right now. Free Tyler. He ain't even do nothing. Say it.
I don't know what happened.
Say it. Say it.
No.
Free.
Straight ahead. Need some water.
So guys, if you really think about it, we're just stalkers, but we're friendly stalkers because we're not trying to harm anybody. We're just trying to find them. Oh, this is gonna be sick. I say it right. Oh wait, it's too far down. I say it right. It keeps going down because I.
You're right. I'll tighten it.
Tighten me up, my boy. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Cool. With Brock. Gotta get more water.
You think the first name is don't stop.
Why?
Because I think it rings something somewhere else.
Really?
Yeah. Stop.
Instagram? Yeah, shout it out. There you go. Shout it out. Shout it out. No. That's crazy, bro.
Get her at the side angle.
Yeah.
Wait, stand right there. Look over the camera.
Bro, Brock, why?
Wait.
A 3D thing.
Why? Bro, why?
Yo, what's up, my brother? What are you about to say? You ready for your game?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, he's ready for his game.
BK. It's gonna be a tough game, but we're gonna come out and show what we can do. Cause
We're gonna go show them what we gonna do with the we're gonna do.
we all win.
I have an interview today.
Where at?
Olive Garden.
Hey, yo, bro, how do you feel about Will Smith?
I don't think it was a good call. I think
Will Smith. How do you feel about Will Smith?
I don't know.
Will Smith. How you feel about Will Smith?
Like, I think, bruh.
How you feel about Will Smith?
Stop! Get that camera out of my face.
You're down the hallway with that on your head.
How you feel about Will Smith?
the man's an OG.
Okay, well, that's all we got for today's episode of the Brock Talk. Make sure to like and subscribe. Watch my previous videos if you don't know what this is. Low-key like the GoPro, might stick with it for the rest of the year. We're gonna get a selfie stick. Hit me up to be in my selfies.
Are you gonna buy yourself the selfie stick, or you just
Yes, I'm gonna go buy a selfie stick, a pink one. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Yeah,
or don't?
do it. And remember, no PDA unless it's at my house.